here I am. In the middle of the 13th century, Orvieto became a self-governing city-state, and they appointed a captain of the people, a capitano del popolo, to, in fact, govern over them. And a few years later, they decided to build this palace as the home and office of that particular captain, the Palazzo del Popolo, the Palace of the People. Built in the last quarter of the 13th century, this building, like all the others in Orvieto, is made of tufa stone. The Palace of the People represented the short-lived Orvietano Republic, because eventually the city fell under the control of the Pope and became part of the Papal States.